Oh man, another day, another problem. Let's see what the guys are doing. Nice and early, 7 a.m. getting ready for the day. Get out on the jobs.
So what's up?
What's up, man? Say what's up to the camera.
What's up, world?
Yeah, we do this now. The guys are all out doing a bunch of jobs. Today we have 2 teams out doing a total of 7 jobs. Should be about, I don't know, maybe like 3.5 truckfuls together. And I am driving around all over doing estimates. Like 6 hours of driving. Sometimes we do estimates based on photos, but on bigger jobs, I just don't think it works, because you can say, oh, it looks like 2 or 3 truckfuls, but when you get there, it could be a lot more or a lot less, and then you got to explain yourself. And I think it's just easier to do it in person if it's anything more than 3/4 of a truck, half a truck, 3/4 of a truck. Yeah, so just driving all day. Just finished up my last estimate of the day. Just happens to be 10 minutes from where one of the teams are working, so we're just gonna stop in and see how it's going. The truck should be right around the corner. I believe it's this house right here. There we are. Okay, well, let me just pull in. Alrighty. Let's see what these guys are working on. What's up, man?
What's up, man? How we doing?
Pretty good. We're down here?
I don't know. Yeah, the toilet.
Yeah, on the fence. Do I want to?
Doing this junk removal stuff, you become like professional. Okay, tired too, but also real life professional Tetris players.
No.
Pretty much, right?
Not really. Not when your money's on the line.
Not when your money's on the line. I don't really know what that means, but yeah, that's our professional Tetris player.
Yeah, the boss gives you pressure to make sure it's packed good for the next job.
The boss gives you pressure? I give you no... I don't give you guys any pressure ever. Oh, yeah.
How full is it?
Looks like the guys actually need my pickup to finish this job, because we don't have any space in the car, or don't have enough space in the car to finish it. So lucky me, I get to Uber home. Making me Uber home.
I know. Sorry. I need it.
Well, I think